Next Wave CNC is focused on continuing to improve the performance and capabilities of our Shark CNCs. Our quality accessories, parts, and innovative tools are all designed to expand creative opportunities while providing maximum performance for our customers who own a Shark. Assembly Video Series. Connecting your Next Wave CNC Shark 7-watt laser. In this short video, we are going to show you how to connect your new 7-watt laser assembly. The first step with any connection is to make sure the power is turned off or the machine is unplugged. This will help ensure you safely install the laser assembly. With the power off, connect the Next Wave controller to the laser hub using the 20-pin ribbon cable provided. Next, connect the 10-pin laser head cable to the laser hub. Finally, connect the 12-volt AC/DC power supply to the laser hub and the installation is complete. Remember, to keep your unit operating safely and efficiently, be sure to take proper steps in caring for your laser module. Always be mindful of the material you are using and never leave a running machine or any project unattended. And be sure you are wearing proper laser protective safety glasses when you are operating our 7-watt laser. Alder, cherry, and mahogany are among the best woods to use the laser module. And the laser collar should always be 0.100 inches above the material. Laser modules should always be used in well-ventilated areas, ensuring smoke from the project can safely escape. If necessary, utilize a fan to help blow away excess smoke. To learn more or view other videos, visit us online at nextwavecnc.com or stop by one of the hundreds of Next Wave CNC Sharks official dealers nationwide. All Next Wave CNC products include lifetime support. Shark, world class. Made in USA.